Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can charge Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. So of course, as you may already know, there is the charger missing in the box. So if you purchase this device, you will not get the charging adapter. Instead, you need to either use the charger from your previous phone, or you need to purchase a new one. Ideally, you want to use a charger of 10 to 45 watt. You can see the information over here, and even more so, you can, I don't want to say should because you don't really have to, but it is recommended to also use the charger made by Samsung. However, of course, for instance, I use the charger from my Xiaomi device, and this one is a little bit different because inside the box we have the USB-C cable, meaning that it has USB-C on both ends. One end is of course recommended, or not recommended, required to plug it into your device, while the other of course goes to the charging adapter. Now in my case, because of this charger, I have the normal USB over here, so I need to use another cable. However, the method pretty much is the same. So we need to plug in our cable, and then of course plug it into your to current, let's say that, like so. And of course the other end has to be USB-C, like I said, because it goes to this hole over here at the bottom of the device. So here we have the entrance for the USB-C cable. You just plug it in, and there we go. We should be charging our device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.